In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress website in under 10 minutes, like this one right here, step by step. So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to be covering things like how to publish posts and pages, installing a new theme, creating menus, and heaps more. So let's get stuck in. Step 1 is to choose a domain name and a web host. So this is an essential part in creating a professional website, as it will allow people to visit your website, and you'll have your own website address like facebook.com or google.com, and you'll also be able to host your website online so people can come and visit your website anytime. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using Bluehost, and I highly recommend them to any new website beginner out there. And also they give you a free domain name when you sign up. So if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I'll put a link down below in the description, and you can follow on step by step. So let's get stuck straight in. So to follow on, you can click the link down below in the description. This will bring us to the Bluehost hosting page. So we can go ahead and click Get Started Now. So this will bring us to the pricing page of Bluehost. So for myself personally, I always use the Choice Plus plan, and I recommend this to new website beginners. And this is mainly because it allows us to host unlimited websites, and we also have unlimited website space as well. So this is a really good starting point if you plan on making more websites in the future. So to get started, I'm just going to scroll down and hit click select. And this will bring us to the domain section. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a domain name that I'd like to use for my new website. And I'll leave it as .com, and then I'll go ahead and click next. And right here we have a green notification saying our domain name is available. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in some account information. So I've gone ahead and put in my personal information, and now I have the package information for my hosting plan. So I can go down and select the length in which I want to choose the plan for. So the longer I choose, the cheaper it'll actually end up being per month. So for this one, I'm going to choose the 36-month option. And now I'm just going to scroll down and deselect the site lock security, as that's not needed. Now I'm just going to scroll down a bit further, and I'm just going to put in my credit card information, and for obvious reasons I'll block this out. So once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and click to the agreed terms and conditions, and now I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. So once that's gone through successfully, I'm welcomed to the Bluehost page. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create myself a password. So I'll go ahead and put myself in a password. And just to make sure it's very secure, I'll paste that one in again, and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then click next. Now I'm just going to go ahead and skip these themes, as we'll actually be making our own website. So I'll go skip. And now I'll go ahead and click Start Building. Step 2 is to download a theme and adjust some settings within WordPress. So now we've installed WordPress, we just have to now install a theme and just a few minor settings that will allow us to create our beautiful WordPress website. So let's get stuck straight in. So once you go ahead and click the Get Started Building button, this will bring us to our WordPress dashboard. So this allows us to publish posts, pages, download themes, and heaps more. So to begin, let's go ahead and download a brand new theme for our WordPress website. So this is very easily done by going to the Appearance section and then going to Themes. And now I just want to go to Add New Theme. And on the top right hand corner, this allows us to search for WordPress themes. So I'm going to type in a theme called Photo Frame, one word. So right here we have our theme, which I'm going to install, which is easily done by clicking the blue button. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Activate. So now we have a brand new theme installed for our WordPress website. So we can have a look at our website anytime by going to the top left-hand corner and clicking on the site title. And this is our brand new WordPress website. And as you can tell, there's not much going on here. And that's because we haven't adjusted any of the settings or added any photos or posts. So let's go ahead and adjust our front page of our brand new website. And this is very easily done by going to the top left hand corner and clicking the WordPress icon. And now I want to go to Appearance and then Customize. So the first thing I want to change in the Customize section of our website is the site identity. So I can go ahead and select the logo, but in this situation, I'm just going to use the site title and the tagline, which you can see right here, as this actually looks very nice. So in this situation, I'm going to be making a travel blog for this tutorial, but you can use this tutorial for whatever purposes you choose. This could be a personal blog, an affiliate website, a news website, and heaps more. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in travel blog. And as you can see, this live updates whenever we add edits to the customize section. And now I've gone ahead and put on the tagline, which you can see has automatically updated below the site title. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to go ahead and click publish. So to keep editing the theme, I'll just go back to the arrow icon, and this will bring us back to the customize section. So the next thing I want to do is go down to header media, and this allows us to add photos to the front page of our website. So to do this, I'm just going to go to add new image. I'm going to go select files, and now I can go ahead and click one of these photos I've already pre-prepared and upload. So once that's uploaded, I'll just go ahead and click select and crop on the bottom right hand corner. Now I can move this around to my own liking. Now I can go click crop image. And once that has updated, now we have a beautiful front page image for our brand new WordPress website. So if I want to make this into a slider, I can actually repeat this process and go ahead and add a new image, which I'll go ahead and do now. And just to save some time, I'll skip through to once the slider is complete. So I've gone ahead and finished the front page slider. And as you can see, there's these arrows on the left and the right, which allows us to navigate through these images. And these will automatically turn into a slideshow every 10 seconds. So now I can go ahead and scroll down. And this is how our website is starting to look, only after just a few minutes. So once we're happy with these changes, we can go ahead and click publish. Now again, I'll click the arrow and go back to the customizer section. And if I just scroll down to theme settings, I just want to ensure that these two boxes are checked. And this will ensure that our posts and pages are beautiful with a featured image. So once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and click publish. So now our front page slider is up and running. The next thing we're going to do is add some posts and pages to really fill out this website and make it look even more beautiful. Step 3 is to publish some pages and posts on our brand new WordPress website. So now we have a theme installed. We now actually have to fill out the website with some content. So let's get stuck straight into that. So to add a new post in WordPress, this is very easily done by going to the posts on the left-hand side. So this is the post section of WordPress. And as you can see, we have a post here which WordPress automatically adds. So I'm just going to go ahead and trash this as it's not needed. So to add a new post, I'm just going to go and click the add new on the top. And to begin, I'm just going to put a title on my brand new post. So once you've put in your title, you can now go ahead and add content and images. So I'm just going to paste in some content just to speed up this tutorial. So once I have my content in the blog post, I can go ahead and add an image. So this is very easily done by clicking on the paragraph and then hitting return or enter. And now I just want to go ahead and add an image by clicking the plus icon, then going to image. And now I can go ahead and upload a photo. I'll select this photo. Now that will go ahead and upload. So now that's looking really beautiful. So the next thing I want to do is just set a featured image and change the category of this blog post. So this is very easily done by going to document on the top right hand corner. Now if I scroll down, I can go to categories, and then I can actually add a new category. So I'll go ahead and click that, and I'll put this under blog. So I'll go add new category. Now that's automatically checked under the blog category. The next thing I want to do is add a featured image. So I'll click on this and then go set featured image. And I'll actually choose the same featured image which I used within the blog post. And now I'll go ahead and click select. So once we've gone ahead and adjusted those settings, now we can go ahead and publish our brand new blog post. So this is very easily done by clicking the blue publish button on the top right hand corner. And then I'll go ahead and publish. And now that's live and ready to go. So we can view the post anytime by clicking view post. Okay, so I've gone ahead and finished some more blog posts. So we can go and have a look at our website and see how it's looking. So right here we have the beautiful slider which we added in earlier on. Now if I scroll down, I can see the blog posts which I also added in before. So our website is really starting to look together. So the next thing we're going to do is add in a few pages for our website. So this is very easily done by going back to the dashboard on the top left-hand corner. Next, we want to go to the pages section. And right here we have some default pages which WordPress automatically adds. So I'm just going to go ahead and trash these. So now we're going to follow the same process which we did for posts, and that's just to go to the top and click Add New. And for pages, I'm going to do an About page, Contact page, and Frequently Asked Questions page. So I'm just going to go ahead and make an About page. Again, I'll paste in some content. And again, I'll go to Document on the right-hand side. I'll go down to Featured Image. I'll select the image and I'll go click select. And for pages, there's no categories, so we don't have to worry about that. So right now this page is looking really good. So I'm going to go ahead and publish and then click publish again. And again, I'm just going to go view my page. Now if I scroll down, we have the beautiful header image and some about information about the website as well. So again, to save some time, I'm going to go ahead and publish a couple more pages. Okay guys, so I'm back at the pages section and I've gone ahead and published 2 more pages. So to now add these to the front page of our website, this is very easily done by going to Appearance and then again going to Customize. So once we're here, I'm just going to go down to the Theme Settings section. And right here we have the Featured Page Headline. So for this, I'm just going to go put in a title. And then below this, I'm just going to go ahead and select the 3 pages that we published just before. So now this will automatically update. So to get a live preview of how these changes look, I can simply just scroll down and get a live preview. And these are the pages that we added in, and we get a really nice hover effect whenever we drag our cursor around it. And again, if I scroll down, we see the blog posts that we added earlier on. So I'm really happy with these changes. So now I can go ahead and click publish. Step 4 is to create and add a menu to our WordPress website. So now we've created our blog posts and our pages, we now have to organize them in a manner in which visitors to our website can navigate our website. So let's get stuck straight in. So I'm back in the WordPress dashboard, and the next thing I'm going to do is add a menu to our website. So this is easily done by going to Appearance and then Menus. So automatically WordPress adds all of our pages to the menu, which is really helpful. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this slightly. So I can easily do this by clicking and then holding onto that and dragging. So for this one, I can move this one up and then leave that one as is. And to add a blog posts section into our menu, that's very easily done by going to Categories on the left-hand side and then clicking on the category you'd like to enter and then go Add Menu. And then I can just simply drag this up again to the top. And now I can go ahead and click Create Menu. So once we've created the menu, we now have to assign the menu to the main menu section of our website. So this is easily done by going to Main Menu down the bottom, then clicking Save. Now we can go and have a look at our menu. So right now we have the brand new menu which we can navigate through. There we go guys, we have a stunning, easy to use WordPress website that you should be proud to share with your friends and family. So if you've followed this tutorial to the very end, you should now have a beautiful, well-performing WordPress website. So if you have, please drop your domain name down below in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to look over your website and give you any tips and tricks on how you may improve your website. So as always, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.